Hey, what's up everybody? Wes here with how-tos and product reviews, and today's video we're going to be installing a set of LED headlight bulbs made by Car Sparkle on my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. We just picked this setup offline and we got 3 boxes total. Luckily all the bulbs are the same for your high beams, low beams, and your fog lights, so we're going to be showing you how to do all 3. So these have the LEDs on the side. It's got the same input here on the bottom that's going to click right into your factory harness, so installation is going to be a breeze. Up under here it comes with a set of gloves. I've already got a set on, but these are going to keep you from messing up the LED diodes, so you want to wear these when doing the install. But here they are, looks awesome. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're going to start with the driver's side, high and low beams. It's going to be the most easily accessible. Right here is going to be our low beam, and you just give it a little turn and then pull it straight out. You can see here it's got a silver tip on that bulb, and there's a little factory release here for the harness. You just push it in and then pull the whole bulb out carefully, and then you'll place it aside because we're actually going to do something extra with this in just a moment. Now we bring out our Car Sparkle H11 bulb, and again it's got the LEDs on the side, so be careful not to touch those. And then you're just going to push it right back into that same harness. You'll hear it click into place, and then really it's just as simple as putting it back in. There's some little metal blades that'll line up in the slots, and you'll get them in there and then turn it slightly and it locks it into place. And just to get a better view of that, here's the other side. You can see there's 3 different little cutouts, and there's little blades on the bulb that fit in and then turn right back into place so that it sits securely. And now we'll jump over here to the high side and repeat the process. Just turn it slightly to the left, it'll come out, do the same release, and swap the bulb over. And again, all these are H11s on my truck. This is a 2021, so definitely do your due diligence on that to make sure you're getting the right bulbs. To my understanding, 2019 and up are all H11s. So now that one side is complete, what I recommend is keeping this OEM box and taking your bulbs and placing them back inside and labeling it the driver's side. Keep it somewhere in the truck. Do this with all the bulbs. That way if you have any issues with your LEDs, you'll have backups when you're on the road. Alright, so now we're going to jump over here to the driver's side fog light. It's a little trickier to get to, and I'm going to see if I can get a good shot of it. There's the 2 bulbs that we just replaced, and right there below that red wire, you can see down there is the fog light. And we're just going to reach down and do the same motion to get that out. The best way I found to get that is to reach right here through this slot. You can reach right down through here and actually touch the light really easily. And so the best thing you can do is just to go ahead and release that harness and then give it a turn. I had a little trouble with it, but that wound up being the best method. So now that we're all wrapped up with the driver's side, we're going to move over here to the passenger, which is a little bit more tricky. You can still reach down here to get to the fog light, just like we did on the other side, but we're going to have a little bit more tighter tolerances to work here because of this windshield wiper reservoir bottle in the way. And what I recommend is loosening this up. Just get it out of the way a little bit. It's going to help you out a lot more in the long run. All you need is a 10mm socket or a wrench if you need to. Loosen these up, take them completely out, and here they are. So they're just little short bolts, and then that allows you to rock this back out of the way and give you quite a lot more space to work with. But again, this step isn't necessary, but it's something that's definitely going to save you a lot of headache in the long run, and it's super easy to move it out of the way. So you'll switch the bulbs out the same way that we did on the other side, and then just scoot your bottle right back into place, make sure the holes are lined up, and then get everything bolted back down. So this is my truck stock. It's got the white Raptor lights, and then this is the yellow lights that come with it installed. And what I've got here is one light on the left is the Car Sparkle white LEDs installed, and the far right is the stock. So you can see the difference right away. The white looks a whole lot more cleaner on this truck, and I really like the look of it. With my all-white theme, I really wanted to get rid of the yellow headlights, and this product really did the trick. So here's the stock side, and we're going to go ahead and get that swapped out as well so you can see it. And here's the final product. This is all the headlights with the Car Sparkle white LEDs, and it looks great. Now everything matches the Raptor lights that I have installed. I have those in another video here that you can see. I'll put it in the upper right corner. But I definitely enjoy this look. It makes my white grill really pop more so than it did before, and they look great on the road as well. It's hard to tell in my video. The camera's really not picking up the light as well as I would like it to, but I'm definitely impressed with the way they look. And here's the fog lights. They're super bright as well. But really, this product did what I needed to do. It made my yellow lights turn white, and it just gave my truck a good overall look. I'll keep you updated if I have any issues with this product down the road. There's definitely lots more options out there, so feel free to check those out. But as always, thank you so much for tuning in for another video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, definitely click like, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing. But until then, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.